Well, why doesn't she vacate East Pakistan now if she has, in inverted commas, liberated East Pakistan? So you will see Indian intentions as time passes. But as far as East and West Pakistan are concerned, with Indian aggression withdrawn, because we cannot really come to a lasting settlement with a foreign country sitting in a part of our country. With Indian aggression withdrawn, I'm quite prepared to, in the name of the people of Pakistan, in the interest of our country and the future of our two peoples, that we are prepared to have as loose an arrangement as the leaders of East Pakistan want.